Think of some of your favorite movie moments, the ones that make you laugh, the ones that make you cry, the moments that you share with family, the scenes you quote back and forth to your friends. Scenes like, "We're gonna need a bigger boat," or "I drink your milkshake." Put that coffee down. Coffee is for closers. Luke, trust the Force. Well, all those great moments had to start here with the blank page. Someone has to fill all of this in with the screenplay, and that someone should be you. Welcome to FTV 33, Introductory Screenwriting. I'm Professor George Huang, and I've been involved in making TV shows and movies for over 20 years now. Probably some things you've heard of, and probably a lot of others you haven't. And I love movies. I love watching movies, I love making and writing movies, and I would love to read your movie. And this introductory class will be the first step into making that happen. In this course, we'll be watching movies together. We'll analyze the construction and craft that goes into writing these movies. You'll see some examples of techniques that work really well and examples of some that don't. We'll look at the 3-act structure, how to create effective beginnings and memorable endings. We'll learn what an act break is and an inciting incident. You'll learn the difference between plot and story. You'll work on how to pitch your own movie idea, how to break it down into a simple, concise, and effective logline. And by the end of this course, you'll have written the first 10 pages of your own original screenplay. Now, ideally, this will be your gateway to fame and fortune and hanging out with movie stars, but even if it isn't, you will learn how to tell an effective story. Because whether you're a scientist trying to communicate your research, or a business major trying to sell someone on a business plan, or simply a teacher trying to get people to enroll in this course, there is a power to storytelling. Nothing engages us or sucks us in more than an effective story. And by the end of this course, you'll learn how to tell that story. So I hope to see you in class soon, because I can't wait to hear your story.